Top 5 effective ways to speak English fluently. Do you want to speak English fluently but forget the words every time you try? Don't worry. These 5 simple methods can help you speak like an American. Fluent speaking is an art, but with the right method and regular practice, it is possible. Number 1. Record your voice and listen to it. When you hear your own voice, you understand how you speak, where you pause, and where you make mistakes. Talk about your daily routine. For example, what you do from dawn to dusk, and record your voice on your phone. I wake up at 5:30 a.m. First, I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I eat breakfast with my family. I go to school at 7:30 a.m. Go ahead and talk about your daily routine until the end of the day. Listen to it, find your mistakes, and speak better tomorrow. You can also compare your voice with a native speaker. Listen for differences in pronunciation or rhythm. Number 2. Practice speaking out loud. Speaking out loud helps activate your tongue and reduce your fear of speaking. Simple daily exercise. Talk to yourself in front of the mirror. For example, my name is Ali, I live in Kabul, I love watching movies, and go ahead till the end. Tell a short story or describe your day. Don't forget, whether you're alone or not, don't be shy. Language comes to life through speaking. Number 3. Imitate native speakers or copy native speakers. One of the best ways to speak fluently is by copying native speakers. Exactly with the same tone and rhythm. How to do it? Choose an English video or podcast. Play a sentence and repeat it immediately. Repeat several times until you sound like a native speaker. Number 4. Learn phrases, not just single words. Learning only vocabulary doesn't help much. Learn full expressions to sound more natural. Instead of get, learn. Get ready. Get up. Get lost. Instead of make, learn. Make mistake. Make a decision. Make a plan. Your notebook should be full of phrases and expressions, not just individual words. Number 5. Practice every day, even just 10 minutes. Consistent practice is the key to fluency. You don't need hours, just a little time every day. Listen to a podcast or an English video for 5 minutes a day. Speak and write some sentences for 3 minutes. And review what you learned for 2 minutes. Learning a language is like working out. If you train every day, your skills get stronger. Be patient and believe in yourself. Learn it, copy it, speak it, and keep moving forward. Yes, you can speak English fluently. If these tips help you, please like this video, share it with your friend, and comment below. Which tip was the most helpful for you? More helpful videos are on the way.